How to add MMQ dual lens camera system to mobile phone. Package list. Install camera. Plug it into the power adapter. Connect mouse. Connect network cable. Connect HDMI cable. Connect NVR power adapter. Click Next step. 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 Set system password. Click Next step. Click Done. Make sure the system is successfully connected to the internet. Click here to view the QR code. Scan this QR code to download the app, or download it on Google Play or App Store. You can log in with your Google account, or register an app account. Use email or phone to receive verification code. Enter the verification code and set the app account password. Log into app. Add camera. Scan to add. Scan the system's QR code. Added successfully.